Welcome to the tea of the day. Today I've got nothing but marjoram in here. Let's see how it is. This is kind of dull. I'm sorry, but by dull I mean that it's just bland. There's not much flavor to it. Yeah.
Tea fail.
Unfortunately, because marjoram is actually really good for you for a variety of different things, like it's supposed to be good for gastric ulcers, intestinal problems, and gas, digestive problems, heart health, of course regulating females' menstrual things, but actually most importantly it's supposed to be a good antimicrobial, especially for kids, so things with colds, runny noses, flu, swollen nose and throat, different things like that. Good stuff.